Okay, this is a box of some eyepieces. Let's open and see. Okay, let's see what we have here. What we have here is books, actually, books about the moon. What we have here, hopefully, is something to help us observe the moon. So, feeder. Oh, what is this? A pack. Another pack. Another pack. Another pack. And the rest of it is nothing, rubbish. Okay, we have 4 packages, 2 large, 2 small. So let's open the large ones. Or should I open from the small ones? Yeah, I'll open the small ones first. We had 2 eyepieces here also, 2 packages, which I think are eyepieces anyway. Let's open this and see what they are inside. 2 big ones. Okay, this is a 50mm Celestron Plossl multi-coated. Ooh, wow. I like this. 50mm, and this compared to other ones is light. So it must be without much. Oh, look at the field stop. Field stop is this circle which you see here now above the screws. And now the center, the matte gray between 2 screws. And this is really nice, big, massive, 50mm. Look at the view, beautiful. Oh, I love this. I'm really curious to see how it works. 50mm 2-inch Celestron. Beautiful eyepiece. Quite light for its 2-inch weight, but that will be interesting to see how it shows. I bought it from Germany, so you cannot find these things anymore probably anywhere. Silvertop 50mm Plossl. And the O here has double dots. So there was a version of it which by mistake you could say had 3 dots. We'll see anyway. That's nice. So this is the Celestron Silvertop Plossl 50mm eyepiece on a Skywatcher ED80 apochromatic 80mm 600mm focal length. 6.5 f6.5, and let's see how it looks, the image through this telescope. And that was how the image quality looked, and I'm really happy with this. Not 70mm, but that is enough. That's 50 degrees, 52 degrees probably. Really good. 50mm wide angle, really good. By wide angle here I mean the low magnification. So this is the lowest magnification you can reach with this range of Silvertops. I have the 20mm, 17 and 10 and 5mm of the Silvertops. This is a 50mm one, so all of them are good. Okay, now you can see through the Celestron 50mm eyepiece. 3D field of view is wider, lowest magnification. There is some dust inside the eyepiece, but I have to clean the lower part of it, I think. Or even open inside of it just to see what is inside. This is a Silvertop eyepiece.